Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. An update on Luna Classic. I always used to update Luna Classic or Terra Classic, whatever you want to call it, in the weekends. So here we are back again. I hope you're having a great weekend. I covered this quite a bit last week as well because of I think obvious reasons. We were just very volatile, as you can see. So we we did well. I mean, we in the Signal group, which by the way, if you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There we actually did very well as well. We shorted from this level, so we got some nice profits when we had that crash Saturday the 10th of June. But right now we are actually, I mean, Luna Classic is one of the cryptos that if you compare the price right now with the price over the last couple of weeks, it's actually quite bullish. We're just in that same consolidation between 9,200 and ultimately like 8,500. So right now the big question is what's next. So before we dive into that, like I said earlier, if you want to receive daily trading signals also on Luna Classic, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you can actually find out how to join and become a better trader / investor with us. But now onto Luna Classic. So the thing is that right now it's actually burning very well. If we talk about the burn tax right now is doing like the best it's done the last couple of days, last couple of weeks, since basically November last year, or since basically like October last year. So that's great. And apart from that, we also have we have had some great proposals. Right now we still have the proposal about the upgrade to version 2.1.0. That's historically that has caused a little bit of bullish momentum, but not too much. It's always hard to kind of gauge how much momentum that's going to cause. And then apart from that, we have Bitcoin right now, which I expect to be bullish in the next 24 hours. And if you want to know why, check out the links down in the description, or not the links down in the description, but check out my Bitcoin video. I just uploaded like 7 videos ago earlier this morning. But that creates quite a difficult scenario for Luna Classic, because Luna Classic itself right now is technically stuck in this area, which, all right, let's say it's between like 8,200 and 9,200. We're stuck in this area. And the big question is, well, what can we expect? Will the price just settle down because next week we have some big news events with the interest rates and the inflation rates? Can we get a bullish breakout because of the upgrade and bullish momentum that's expected for Bitcoin? We'll just have to see, because what we like to have with Luna Classic is to get some sort of a bullish breakout above 9,200 to get up to this level right here around 10,000, and then we're just, we're playing that same game we were last week, where we're basically bouncing between 10,000 and 9,000. So this is what we want to do. I would argue though that I do not think this is the most likely scenario, because if we're honest with ourselves, even though I expect some bullish momentum from the markets, historically Luna Classic is actually not that correlated with the market. So historically, when Bitcoin was bullish, well, Luna Classic was not bearish, but it was not as bullish. And then apart from that, we should not forget that before this bullish momentum, which was largely caused as well due to some rumors with USDT and some sort of a proposal passing with that, we actually got that bullish momentum, but before that, we barely had any momentum. So I think it's that, in combination with us having a very strong resistance right now at 9,200, leads me to believe it's more likely that we'll actually drop down to these levels around 8,500 and 8,200. And I do think we'll be able to hold those, at least initially, and kind of consolidate here. But that does mean that on the short term, I expect some bearish momentum. USDT is also recovering a bit, but it has been dropping down for the last 7 days. So we're also losing that momentum we got from there. So overall, that's what I think the most likely scenario is for now. I will keep you updated on Luna Classic though, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, thank you for watching. This was my update. Enjoy your weekend and bye.